All right, everyone. We are live here at World Hydrogen North America in 2024. Today, I am joined by Joshua Yoon of Virginia Transformer. Me, myself, I am Tyler Campbell, managing editor of H2 Tech. Joshua, how about you start by telling us that are not familiar a little bit about Virginia Transformer and your role with the company?
Sure. Like I said, my name is Joshua Yun. I'm Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Virginia Transformer. I've been in the transformer industry for about 25 years and overall electrical industry about 33. The Virginia Transformer is 52-year-old a company. We design and manufacture transformers. So anything that look like transformer outside, pan mount, part transformer, pretty much anything that we design. And then roughly about 20% of all the transformer right now that's powering up the U.S. Is actually from our company. So since we've been here 52 years, and then we are the largest U.S. owned transformer company in North America at this point. The name Virginia Transformer came because it was originally started with one plant, Roanoke, Virginia. Okay, so but since then we grew by either building new plants or acquiring new other plants. So right now we have 6 plants, 4 U.S. plants and 2 Mexico plants. So we have 2 of them in Virginia, 1 of them in Idaho, another one in Georgia, and then 2 plants in Chihuahua, Mexico. And we have an 80,000 MVA capacity. Again, that makes us one of the largest transformer manufacturer in North America.
So, what are the challenges that you're seeing for developing the hydrogen market?
Yeah, if you think about it, Tyler, I mean, it's very simple. Uh, I don't care what size, if it is a hydrogen plant that's going up, it requires transformers. Either, you need a transformer up front to power up, actually feed the power to the plant. But inside the plant, you need smaller transformer to power all the electrolyzers and all these other processes that are going on. So tremendous number of transformer needed. But at this point, pretty much including us, all the transformer suppliers, we are full. All the factories are full. What happened was during pandemic, a lot of the projects were put on hold. And then when the pandemic was over, all the pent up demand just released at once. It's like a perfect storm. Big tsunami came and wiped out all the capacity, all the production slot that's available in North America. So at this point, I'm not sure if everybody's aware, large part transformer plant, which is needed for every hydrogen plant, average lead time right now, if you order today, average lead time is 3 years out. So, and as the size gets smaller, a smaller unit may be 1 year, but anywhere from 1 year to 3 year is a typical lead time for this transformer. So unless you are planning that into your overall project schedule, you're gonna face a major issue. By the time we pull the trigger, that then all of a sudden you're not gonna have enough transformer to power up your plants. And so that's going to be one of the biggest challenge that everybody in the hydrogen industry will be facing, and we need to somehow find a way to overcome that.
Wow, so transformers, that sounds like a huge issue. So, what is Virginia Transformer doing to help with this problem?
Okay, so think about it. Every transformer that's feeding hydrogen plant is unique. There's no standard transformer, so it's one off. Okay, specially designed transformer made specifically for that particular plant. Okay, so uh, we are actually offering the shortest lead time in the electrical industry in North America, not just hydrogen, but all the market segment. The reason we're able to do that is few reasons for few factors. Number one, as I mentioned to you, we have the largest production capacity. So we have 80,000 MBA capacity, which that nobody else in North America has. So with that amount of production capacity, we can offer short lead time. But at the same time, what good is a capacity if we don't have people inside the factory to build transformers? So we are able to hire basically more than enough people, train them, okay, and then and and then there right now we have enough labor force to produce the transformer. Tyler, last year alone, we hired 1,000 employees. We as a company across 6 plants, 1,000 employees. And then it usually takes about either anywhere from 1 month to 3 months before training and they be certified before they actually set a foot outside into the plant. So they go through rigorous training. So we have done that. That allows a short lead time. But at the same time, materials, we're still facing a lot of challenges in supply chain. So right now, as a result of it, we are maintaining about $20 million worth of critical long lead time item right now, and we kind of strategically store them across 6 different locations so we can tap them. So, and then also the last thing is we have one of the largest engineering resources. Out of the 3,000 employee, roughly about 800 of them are seasoned, experienced engineer. Myself is a double E. Pretty much everybody in our company, it could be supply chain, it could be sales, marketing, engineering, quality. A rule of thumb is one person out of four, one out of four direct employee working in the plant are degree engineers. Because at the end of the day, transformers are handmade, man-made, not much automation. So we do that. And then we have 20,000 done design, reference design to pull from. So combination of design, engineering resources, material, okay, labor force, and capacity, we are able to offer the shortest lead time to the industry, which could help basically overcome this big challenge that we just mentioned earlier.
But Joshua, you said not too long ago that you could possibly shorten the lead time. So does that mean less than 3 years?
Yes. So for a typical 100 MVA transformer, standard lead time right now, pretty much everybody's about 3 years. Okay. Right now we're offering 2 years. Okay. So smaller transformer, for example, pan mounts and other, average is about 2 years. We're offering about a year, less than a year, about 45 weeks, something like that. So we constantly looking, finding ways to continue to drive our efficiency and then increase our throughput so that we can maintain our short lead time to the industry.
Wow, excellent. So to bring this back full circle, what would be the benefit of a company like yours, like Virginia Transformer, sponsoring an event like this?
I think the biggest thing right now, hydrogen being so kind of somewhat new industry, and there's a lot of people are here jumping into this industry, not so quite familiar with all the nuances. Again, talk about lead time of a transformer. These are something that people don't usually think about. So one thing that I think would be helpful, at least for me, to come here, talk to people, okay, at least let them know, let them be aware. These are something that they need to take into consideration. So that when they're planning their next project, okay, that they don't get, they don't get blindsided, at the end. Another thing right now is the fact that we are U.S. owned. Okay, we serve North American market, and we've been in the industry for 52 years. So we're here to stay. We're here to support this fast-growing hydrogen market. So we're diverting, dedicating resources, engineering resources, marketing, sales, and a lot of the things we're doing right now to help facilitate the growth of this market.
Wow. Well, thank you, Joshua, for taking some time to speak with us. And thank you for joining us at the conference.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
No problem.